I realize how uneven my brows are right now. I don't even think I can. Nope. Once we're glued down, we're glued down. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing, yes, yet another empties video, and I am thinking this might be the last one before baby boy arrives. The next one is just going to be unbelievably massive for however long it'll take, and I have a ton of stuff here that obviously I've used up. I have things that I don't like. I have stuff that I believe is expired because I did recently go through all of like my makeup again and just was like, no, we're getting rid of this, we're getting rid of this, we're getting rid of this. Hoola sunscreen, if you've been here, you know. Out of high-end sunscreens, this is like my favorite one that I like to get. This is from actually TJ Maxx, 15, because normally these run like 20-25 bucks at Ulta if you don't get them on sale. Love this. It is fragrance free, although again I feel like the fragrance free has like a weird scent to it. It's supposed to be fragrance free, but it smells really odd. I don't know. My husband and I went to the beach and we literally used this entire thing, and I used this the other day as well when I went to the pool at my mom's. Sparkling sugar shave oil. This is from Christmas time. It took me literally forever to use this because obviously in the winter time I don't really like, I mean, I shave. I feel like I don't go through these as fast as I do in the summertime because I'm shaving more than just once a week, besides just, you know, shaving my armpits multiple times a week. I probably will have a lot more of these in my next video, but really love, I've been a ride or die for Tree Hut shave oils for a long time. They are definitely worth it. The only bad thing is I kind of wish that they were like a shaving cream where you could see where you're putting it, kind of also like some self tanners, you know, you don't miss spots, because sometimes I will get out of the shower and I'll be like, I just missed a whole patch and have to go in with the razor anyway. Take what you can get, right? Native toothpaste, my same old with fluoride. This I just finished. This is the Palmer's massage cream for stretch marks. Love, love, love Palmer's. I've been using it my entire pregnancy. You know, this is kind of like on me right now because I really thought, oh, I'm using this every day, I'm not going to get a single stretch mark in my pregnancy. Okay, Sam. Past Sam? Yeah, right. Now that I am 38 weeks pregnant today that I'm filming this, I have stretch marks, couple new, I mean, I don't really know if they're new. I feel like they were there from when I was bigger in my, again, as I keep saying in all these videos, shut up about it, we get it, you had stretch marks and now they're darker. Basically the stretch marks I had are getting darker a little bit. I've just been mainly focusing this on there, still all over my belly, on my hips, and on my chest. So love Palmer's. I know there's other brands out there, but I've just been sticking with that. I feel like I've also been kind of going still a little bit blind during my pregnancy because I don't know, like some people have been asking me about like certain things, like, are you collecting your colostrum? Are you doing Lamaze classes? Are you no. Should I? I know I should be collecting colostrum. I'm just, head is neither here nor there. I'm still waiting on my breast pump to come in the mail. Everything's fine. Prenatals, these are my favorite. I've been using these forever now. However, I will mention these are the last bottle that I got where the prenatals are like raspberry flavored, which it says natural raspberry flavor right on it. I reordered these from my Amazon orders. They came and now they are orange flavor. I wish they would have disclosed that or something in the description, but a lot of the comments have been like, yeah, they changed the flavor, whatever. They still taste great. I still love this brand. Hello Lovely prenatal vitamins with DHA and folic acid. Kind of sad that they changed the flavor because one of the reasons why I bought these is because they taste like raspberry, they taste like berry, and now they're kind of orangey. I did not clean this one out. This is the hello, this is not even on all the way. It smells really good though. This is the rainbow sherbet. They came out with this for this summer. Definitely recommend if you have not tried it already. It is so good. It smells just like lime sherbet to me. Absolutely love. Kind of smells like a margarita. That margarita scent that was out kind of smells like that. Really like the scent, so I definitely would repurchase this, especially for summertime. It's a really good scent. Hair mask. This is the Amika Bust Your Brass Intense Repair Mask. This was $24.99 at TJ Maxx. Literally used up the used the whole thing and still kept the thing on. I don't know why I did that. Sometimes I felt like it wasn't making my hair not brassy. It wasn't taking the brass out, but maybe it was. Maybe, I don't know. I feel like I have that blonde thing where I feel like I'm never blonde enough and I still have that. So sometimes I get out of the shower and I'm like, did you even do anything? I don't know. It was okay. I'll repurchase it again maybe in the future. I don't know. It's a purple hair mask. So without saying, Vanilla & Co. Cleansing Balm. Love her. She's vegan now. I buy the giant ones on sale. We already know that. Mouthwash, this is my favorite one. I do like the Rainforest Mint, and I guess the pink one's okay. The light blue one's okay, but this is my favorite, the Clean Mint. Love. Toner in here from Tula. I got this in a set when I used my points for my birthday. Secret Solution Pro Glycolic 10% Resurfacing Treatment Toner. Is a gel-like consistently. I was not expecting that, but it has like a cute little pump. Downside is that I can't see what's in the bottle, but we already know I have like a weird thing with that. It worked really well. It didn't break me out. It just was a toner. I think I would just like to use more of like a liquidy toner. I think they may have one, so I'll definitely try that one out, but it was okay. I don't know if I'd specifically repurchase it. If it came in another set, I probably would use it. I don't know why there's a wire in here, but this is a wire to one of my old cell phones. I don't know why that's in here, so we're gonna ignore that. I think I have like 2 more empties, and then everything else I'm gonna tell you why I don't like it, or it's expired. I have the Essence Fix and Last Jelly Gripping Primer. Label's completely torn off of it now. I tried to finish the rest of it. It won't come out. Again, it's a really good primer for the price. I feel like you can only get this online. I haven't seen it in my local Ulta, but it does smell like men's cologne, so as a warning, if you're not into that, then this might not be it for you. It was a very good primer for $5 if you're looking for a cheaper alternative. Hello. Power 28 mascara. Why am I saying this like it's in a shade or a scent or something? It's a mascara. I don't know. Pregnancy. I like the wand. I feel like she worked well on my lashes, but maybe the formula is just a little too wet for me. I'll give you guys a little tea. I low-key feel like no mascara has been good for my lashes. Like, I literally look like I have no lashes right now. And it doesn't matter what mascara I use. Doesn't matter if I curl them or not. I don't know what is going on. So your girl might be switching to lashes to wear every day because I'm just so frustrated right now with the whole thing. Or if I should get like DIY lash extensions, try those out again, let me know. I feel like just no mascara lately is doing it, and I'm so annoyed. I have my ride or dies that I love, and they're not doing anything. Or maybe I just should start putting castor oil on them again. I don't know. Beauty Blender, old foundation. I love her. This one is in 160W. I think now this is just in a different packaging. I really genuinely love this foundation so much. I just have not used it, and as a result, it is clearly past 12 months, so we are done with her. This makes me very sad. This is a Jeffree Star liquid blush peach bubblegum. It is absolutely beautiful. It's a really nice summery color. It smells like NAS now, so I clearly did not use this up as much or as fast as I wanted to. Unfortunately, I have to say goodbye to her. Very sad about that. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm very sad. A few lip glosses, they all just smell. Again, I went through my makeup and they're not hitting, but I have an Essence Extreme Shine lip gloss in Summer Punch. I did really like her. She's just a clear, like, gives Wet n Wild vibes lip gloss. It was her time. Same with this Kylie gloss in clear. I bought like a really long time ago. She is just not kicking no more. And then we have, unfortunately, Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy that I really love. However, it stinks now. It's not good. No, it's not good at all. However, I will say I love the color of this, but the scent of Fenty Gloss Bomb glosses for some reason to me just make me sick. I just cannot. I can't with them. I don't know why. Now I can't stand it. So maybe make a fragrance-free option, please, because I really love the Fussy Gloss so much. As far as other things, I do have this little Natasha Denona Biba trio that I used to bring with me all the time and wear all the time, but it is really past its due date here. Like, it is way past 2 years, so it is time to get rid of her. I don't even really wear eyeshadow anymore. I don't know. Hopefully I get back into that at some point, but I don't know. I feel like the era of that is over. It's like 2016, 2018, 2019 for me. Speaking of foundation, I'm sorry to say the About Face, the Performer, it's okay. Again, not peeing my pants over it. I don't really like the applicator. It just wasn't for me. And I love Halsey, but this is not it for me. It didn't work very well. I wish I would have returned it. Oh wait, this actually expired. This is from Pink. This is the Buttercream Lip Oil. $12. It was probably on sale for $5, right? Yep, that's not good. They sell lip oils now at Victoria's Secret Pink, so obviously to keep up with the lip oil market, but she did smell really good. I had this in my purse like as like a whatever lip oil. Obviously, you can get a better quality one somewhere else. This one's kind of like meh. Not even comparable to their lipsticks, like their Velvet Matte little lipsticks they had. I did a full review on my channel. Oh my god, those were epic. Or like their glosses. Nothing compares. This is just kind of wah. I would give this to my daughter, like my 8, 9, 10-year-old daughter. You know what I mean? Like, it's just not a real beauty product to me. Essence What the Fake, which is their version of the Too Faced Lip Injection. There we go. That is gone. As far as other expired stuff, I have this really old, this original Kylie coconut lip liner. It's one of my favorite lip liners ever, and I've been meaning to rebuy it. I don't even know if they make it anymore. I probably have to get it off her website. I've kept this for so long. Like, it's her old logo and everything. Like, oh, this was just one of my favorite. We'll just bite the bullet and repurchase it eventually, but she had to go. Rare Beauty lip liner. These only last 6 months. Huh? Selena, we gotta talk. Is it because it's retractable? Like, what is the tea? Like, literally, I was just going through lip liners like, okay, 18 months, 24 months, whatever. And this one says 6. And I'm like, well, this is clearly expired, so we're done with that. NYX liners, which I hate to say because I do love NYX liners, but they just run all over my mouth. I don't know what it is. Even if I am not overlining, which I really haven't been overlining my lips for a while, I just kind of let lip gloss or lip oil do the trick, you know? They're not hitting. They're not giving what they need to give, and it's very disappointing. And then I have this Kylie liner in Angel, which I love the Angel color. Now I feel like I'm in an era of my life where I don't want so much intense lip color, so I still do have a few of her liners. I have the Stassi Kylie one because I loved that collab so much. The Kylie one and Candy K, those are like my 3 favorites. I feel like look really flattering on me. Like, there's just some colors that I love to wear, but I know that they just don't look. They're too red or they're too much, and I don't know. Like, I'm kind of just out of that era of my life. I feel like I'm definitely in the lip liner, lip oil, lip gloss era. I obviously still have lipsticks over here that are near and dear to my heart that I really love and I wear too, so I don't know. I'm throwing the L'Oreal Telescopic in here as an empty because I don't know if it's the formula. I don't know if, I really feel like it's just me. I feel like this is just not working like it used to. This is the Hydrofuge one. I normally love this mascara. It is just not giving. I don't know. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's sat in my collection too long, because I have had this for a long time before I opened it. I don't know. Right now, I'm disappointed, and I'm not gonna repurchase her for a while. Brush, this brow brush from Real Techniques. This is the long okay, cool. I was gonna say hangled. That's not a word. The long handled brow brush. This just, I need a spoolie. I can't work with this. I tried. I can't work with it. So she's in here because we're not doing that. Last 2 things I have a Rem Beauty concealer in the shade Tan 8P because I wanted to use this as a bronzer, and clearly we did not do that. If you guys have watched my previous empties videos where I showed a concealer from Rem Beauty, love the concealer. I think I just let it sit for too long because I was just using other stuff, and I'm trying to not hoard so much makeup at one time and open too many products because I know it's just going to be a thing. They're going to go bad easy and I'm wasting my money, and yeah, you get it. We're trying to be more responsible in our 30s over what we spend our money on and what we're opening and what we're using and etc. Hence why I keep doing these videos, to hold myself accountable and you guys get to see all my trash. Fun. Last thing I wanted to share with you guys is a Laneige lip mask. This one's in Sweet Candy. I used this every single day last year and into this past year for work before I went in there. So I've used like a crap ton. She still smells good. Now I feel like I'm at the point, and especially since I just bought the cotton candy one, this one can go. 12 months, she's clearly expired. So we are saying goodbye. That was my empties for, I guess, June. Holy crap. Like I said, I don't know what the future holds as far as when my son arrives. I want to still keep trying to post even when I'm on maternity leave and everything like that. We are just going to do the best we can. Hence why I'm trying to pump out videos this month before he arrives. So it's not like, oh, I just faded away into the abyss, because I've been very up and down with my channel and my posting and everything. If not, you guys can find me on TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff. As always, SamRegX3. I just post random stuff randomly. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notification when I post a new video. And hopefully today, Saturday, that I'm filming this, I will have another video up because I have to film my hospital bag and diaper bag video. We have to do that before this boy comes. We have to do that because I have a feeling he's going to come in the next couple days. I don't know. I just have a feeling. Just like I always had a feeling he was going to be a boy from the beginning. And no one believed me. I'm done now. I love you guys. And I'll see you later. Bye.